I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is like my first PR list that I've been on. Yeah, I've been doing this influencer thing for like since 2018, so I'm super excited. And y'all, I completely forgot. Child, I didn't much open this. Oh snap, there's more things in here. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. We gotta bounce it sponge. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like a cute little sponge. And we got 82 gems. I'm so excited to try this like looks with these because it has gems in it. What else did they give me? Oh, cute little stickers. I might put these on my laptop. These cute little stickers. Hold on, y'all. This is not picking up. There we go. Cute little stickers. What else? This is cute. Oh my gosh, it's a cute little makeup bag. I love that. It's a cute little makeup bag. What else, child? I really wanted that. I really wanted a sweater. Low key. But I didn't get this. I really wanted this sweater. But I didn't get it. But that's okay. I don't think any of us got it, to be honest. I don't think any of us got the sweater. But that's okay. I love this box. I'm definitely gonna keep this box. Oh my gosh. Y'all, please follow me on Instagram so y'all can see these leaks. I'm so excited for this. This is really cute. I need to start traveling so I could use this. And I have my first brand deal. I'm not gonna say who it's from yet until things go live, so you know, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see that, period. But yeah, this is so cute. I absolutely love this. My shade in their Face It, I think I'm probably gonna be, since it's starting to be colder outside now, I'm probably going to be a 130, between a 130 and a 160, dependent, you know. And like their contour shade, I'm so excited to try their contour shade. It's like there's 200 and 220, and their highlight shade, which is super cute, is 110, which is medium golden. That's my shade, period. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so oh my gosh, there's so much glosses. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I have so much things that I have to do today. I still have content to do for, as guys, I showed you guys, Bask and Bloom. I have to do content for them, and doing content for this. Today's just a content day, so you guys are getting the behind the scenes. That's why I'm in my bonnet, my hair tied, because I have to wash my hair. So I'm gonna kind of give you guys little snippets. I'm so exhausted, but life must go on, and I'm like breaking out like crazy, so don't mind that, please. But I'll check back in with y'all later. Get back. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the More Moisture Cream. Come on. I'm gonna be using that. And then this together, the Curl Mousse. Come on. The Curl Mousse. I'm gonna attempt to do a twist out. So y'all probably see the final result tomorrow. So I just did this side here. Final results are gonna be on my TikTok, so make sure you follow me.
Mommy?
On my TikTok. Yes, baby.
Okay,
Okay, so I just finished recording a video. Once y'all see this video, it'll probably be up already. So, y'all, not too much on my wig because I'm experiencing hair depression and it's just, this is just gonna have to do. But yeah, I think this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog. Like I'll show you guys just how messy everything is because this is the behind the scenes of a content creator. Okay, like look at this, just stuff everywhere, all over the ground. I gotta clean up and stuff, but I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I adore y'all, you guys are the best, and I appreciate all the love and support. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.